I'm over here looking for apes. Looking for apes. You know what that means, guys? Looking for apes. How many are out and how many are apes? Check this out. I'm gonna have an ape meeting here. I didn't mean to be an ape, but I guess officially I am. And yeah, gonna have an ape meeting around there, right under there. I'm looking for other apes in the area. What do you think? For those of you that are following the story, are the hedge funds trying to distract from AMC and put your focus onto other stocks? Is that what they're trying to do? Clover, Workhorse, all the other ones. Meanwhile, you know what? They're probably making bank on all of them. So what the hell? Yeah. For those of you that are following the situation, somebody just ran the red light there. Yeah, so for those that are following the situation, alright guys, I just wanted to touch base, let you know that I'm still around, and I will catch you guys another time. I'm out looking for apes. Out looking for apes. Let me know if in the comments if you know what that means about me looking for apes. Alright? And also, like and subscribe. Give me some thumbs up so I have the motivation to keep this channel going. Alright guys? Take care everybody. Peace.